Hello guys, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. As you can see up here on my channel, all my information, I am from the blog workanywherenow.com. And if you want to look for how to make big money and check out what I do online and how I make a full-time online income, you go and check out this link right here on the right side. It's called Make Big Money here. And if you're on the mobile, you just need to scroll through these tabs and go to the About page. And on the bottom of that About page, you will find the same link called Make Big Money here. So in today's method, what I'm going to show you is that you could earn $21 over and over again in PayPal money, and it is a copy and paste method that's going to be very easy to do. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, this is what I'm going to show you. I am at the site called Ally. It's at al.ly, okay? It's very short, so it's al.ly. And what this is that you can shorten links, any link, and copy it and paste it all over the internet and earn this way. And if I scroll down, here are some of their features. So now you can use Ally URL shortener to shorten links and earn money online and get paid within 24 hours of requesting your money. Request your money once you reach at least $1. So you have very low minimum payout for this website, and you can get paid through these 3 different ways. So it's going to be available for a lot of people around the world because you have PayPal, Skrill, and Payza. So this opens up to a lot of people around the world to do this. You are required to earn only $1 before you will get paid. We can pay all users via their PayPal, Skrill, or Payza. Fast payments, so you will get paid pretty quickly. So as long as you hit that minimum, they will pay you as little as within 24 hours. There's also a referral program that you can earn 20% from your referrals for lifetime. So this is a great way to earn some passive income. And then you're going to get all sorts of stats on your dashboard as you are doing the links and getting more information about the links. So that's the main parts of this program. So what this is doing is that it's going to take any link that you want to use. So let's say it doesn't matter what link it is. So let's check out how to lose belly fat. So you're going to look for the views that have a lot of views, okay? So like you can see the first few ones have quite a amount of views. You got millions of views. So you could take any of these videos here, right? Just copy the link, go to Ally's page, paste it here, shorten the link. Oh, I have to say that I'm not a robot. Shorten this link. And then what you're going to do is use this link right here. You're going to copy this, and now you get to paste it all over where you can earn. So how much you're going to earn is all out here, okay? So if you look at payout rates right here, you can earn literally $21 for every 1,000 views if it's from Greenland, okay? And if you go down the list, there's Netherlands, you could earn $7.33 for every 1,000 views. Canada is $4.75. And these are very high amounts, really. And if I'm in the United States, so right here, $1.53 for every 1,000 views. So it's not the highest one, but you can still earn some money. But I'm going to show you how to earn this amount of money. So once you have that link, you're going to go to Google. Okay? So you're going to go Google, and you're going to type in the topic of your video, which is how to lose belly fat. And then once you have the search results here, you're going to go to settings, and you're going to go click on search settings. And then here you're going to take the region settings. You're going to click on Greenland here. and put save. Now you're going to have Greenland results, okay? So if you look for or check lose weight forum, so this should be for Greenland, people from Greenland be using these forums so that you can get viewers from Greenland to be clicking on your link. Okay, so you want to be in a forum because when you paste your link, you want to paste it in a way that's on these popular high traffic places. Because 1,000 views is a lot of views, guys. Okay, and you want a lot of people clicking on it. So going to forums is the best idea for this, unless you want to build your own social following where you are, but then you're not going to get the Greenland visitors that these guys want here, okay? But if you just want to do it from your home country, that's fine too. So you just earn a little less. So this is up to you how you want to do it. But you could basically grab any link and just put it in here and shorten it, and then take your copy and copy your shortened link and then paste it to Twitter or anywhere else that you can find people to click on your link. Because the more pasting that you do all over the internet, the way this is going to snowball, okay? So you need to kind of do it consistently, because it's not going to just be 1 or 2 times. You're going to need to do this kind of like consistently, kind of every day, do a few of them, and eventually it'll snowball and you'll start earning money this way. And why you earn money is because once you put the raw link in here and shorten it, what happens to that shortened link is that they're going to put a layer of ads in between, so that when somebody clicks the link, they're going to see an ad first before they go see the YouTube video. So you can do this in any niche, guys. I mean, there's tons of videos on YouTube you guys can go and find. Losing weight is just one of the niches that are, you're going to find a lot more people viewing this type of video, and that's why I kind of start with that. If you want to get 1,000 views or thousands of views, you know, you want to keep earning more and more, you want to pick a niche that a lot of people want to find out about. So this is one of the ways, and that's why I kind of started with this topic. So, but this linking, copy and paste, so shortening this link could be any link you want and any topic that you wish to go into. And you could go into several topics if you just go and copy and paste these links all over, okay? So I don't do this though, because this is a little bit crazy for me to go all over the internet to paste links. And I also don't want to trick people to look at ads that way. So the way I make online money, and I make it actually passively, guys, okay? The way I make money is that I build an online asset, okay? I build an asset that I own, that I have on the internet, and people come to me to basically give me money, really, because my online business attracts its own visitors. And if you check out that link that I showed you on my YouTube channel in the beginning of this video, then you can also learn how to do this with the training on that program that I'm still involved with, so that I can help other people like you to get your online business going. Okay, guys? So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you go and check out that link on my YouTube channel. It's called Make Big Money Here link. Okay, you can also find it if you're on mobile. You can also find it on the About tab of my YouTube channel. Okay, it's on the bottom. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. It really helps out this video to let others share this method. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money, big money online. Okay, guys? And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? I hope I see you on the next video, and I hope you make big money soon. All right, guys? Talk to you later.